Okay, hello everyone, this is Mary Jane Alebra and welcome to my channel. To those who don't subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well so you'll get notified as soon as I upload a new video. In this video, we will tackle about the three subject pronoun. Okay, let's go. Okay, these are the three subject pronouns: him, he, and his. These subject pronouns are singular. So singular is referring for one person or thing. Okay, we can use these three subject pronouns if we will rename the subject in the sentence. Okay, like example, the name of the subject in the sentence is better. Better is a male, so we're going to use him, he, and his. Okay, always remember, before we proceed, we have to recognize first him, he, and his. This subject pronouns is refer for male. We cannot use if we are referring for female. Okay, this is only for male. If we talk about male, if we will refer for male, we can use these three subject pronouns. Okay, let's go to the main topic. Yes, let's use first the word him. If we are going to use him, for example, I like better, you can say I like him. Okay, and if we are going to use the word he, better is my crush, he is my crush, like that. So like example, his, if you want to ask your friend, is this Better's bag? Or you can say, is this his bag? Okay, that's all for today. It's so easy to use these three subject pronouns. Okay, always remember, always pay attention for using that subject pronouns. Always remember that him, he, and his is refers for male. Okay, now you know already how to use him, he, and his. So okay, that's all for today. If you want to share an example about our topic for today, just comment below. Always remember that sharing is better. So by the way guys, sa mga aking Epinoyload buyers po dyan, okay, sa ngayon meron pa po tayong available na 20,000 plus, kaya sa mga gustong bumili po dyan, mag-PM po sa akin in this video sa description at saka sa comment box. Meron pong link ng aking Facebook account. I-click nyo po yun at direct po kayo doon sa aking Facebook account at mag-message po kayo para mabigyan ko po kayo ng 1% up to 2.9% rebates po. Depende po yun sa inyong mode of payment at saka sa amount. Okay? Pay attention po sa ating main page ng Epinoyload. As of today, June 3 pala, sorry, June 3, 2022, meron na pong 140,390 likes ang ating main page po. Pay attention po kasi marami pong scammers at sayang po yung pera natin. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. PM na po sa mga gustong bumili po ng load wallet po dyan. Meron po ako, available po ako araw-araw. Okay? From 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. for the next day. 9 a.m. today, 4 a.m. tomorrow. Ako mag-cut off. Okay? So, okay, it's time to bye-bye for now, no? Anong nangyari dito? Ay, no. I want to say bye-bye na po as of now. So, see you next time. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.